The cost of cutting 300 trees in West Bengal would be 222 crore rupees. यानी कि एक पेड़ की कीमत with 100 years of life left would be 72 lakh. Yes, you heard it right. A committee that was set up to evaluate the cost of cutting trees informed this to the Supreme Court. एक ही तो पेड़ है, कट गया तो कौन सी बड़ी बात हो गई. This is what some of us think about a tree, right? But everything has a cost and so does a tree. The central government wants to construct 208 rail over and under bridges across 19 states in the country. One such state is West Bengal, where the government wants to build 5 railway over bridges. This will require cutting of nearly 356 trees, of which 50 have already been cut. Regarding this, a PIL was filed in the Supreme Court. इसी को लेकर कोर्ट ने बनाई एक कमेटी ताकि ये एस्टिमेट किया जाए कि जो पेड़ काटे जा रहे हैं उसका कितना कॉस्ट होगा, और इस कमेटी की रिपोर्ट आपको हैरान कर देगी. The cost of cutting 300 trees in West Bengal would be 220 crore rupees. यानी एक पेड़ की कीमत with 100 years of life left would be 72 lakh. Yes, you heard it right. A committee that was set up to evaluate the value of such trees informed the Supreme Court. This brings us to a very important question. What is the value of a tree and how much are we losing? Let us get into this. According to the committee that submitted its report to the Supreme Court, a tree which has 100 years of life left would be worth 72 lakhs. इसमें आ गई ऑक्सीजन की कॉस्ट, बायो फर्टिलाइजर की कॉस्ट और बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स जो हमें ट्रीज से मिलते हैं. This committee also said one more important thing regarding the project in West Bengal. It said that in a decade the roads will lead to traffic congestion, जिसके लिए 4000 से ज्यादा पेड़ और काटने पड़ेंगे. This will eventually cost more than 30,000 crore over the next few years. This committee's report may or may not be right for each and every tree across India, but this highlights one very important thing, and that is that sometimes value of trees is more than the cost of the infrastructure project. To give you one perspective, the cost of that infrastructure project in Bengal is just 500 crores. लेकिन trees कट करने से हमें लॉस होगा 220 crores, और वो भी तब अगर फ्यूचर में हम उसी जगह और पेड़ ना काटें. Now let us look at a larger picture. On September 14 last year, the Union Environment Ministry informed Rajya Sabha that in the last 5 years, around 1 crore 76 lakh trees have been marked for felling in forests and other areas for developmental project. Let that sink in. और अगर हम कमेटी वाला ही लॉजिक लगाएं, and if we assume that all these trees have 100 years of life left and are worth 76 lakh, then the cost of felling trees would be 76 lakh rupees multiplied by 1 crore 76 lakh trees, a figure that I can't even read. I agree that this figure might be exaggerated. Not every tree has the same value as the trees in West Bengal. Not every tree will live for 100 years, but even it is 50% of the estimated value, the loss is just a lot. और ये तो खाली एक monetary estimate है. The entire ecological balance gets disturbed when you uproot a forest, and we can't even count the loss that tribals and animals face because of this. And please let us not even talk about the climate change here. Now after considering all this, आपने सोचा होगा कि भाई पेड़ काटे जाते हैं तो पेड़ लगाए भी तो जाते हैं, उसका क्या? But one committee member in West Bengal case said that these historical trees in Bengal has irreplaceable value. Compensatory afforestation cannot replace trees of this value. In fact, many of the plantation drives fail because nobody takes care of the trees after planting a sapling, and you have a lot of such examples. So if you think कि एक पेड़ ही तो था, कट गया, तो क्या बड़ी बात है? Think again. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.